Are you ready for a little math magic? I can square any number that ends in 5 in my head, and I'm going to teach you today a trick. So, for example, let's take the number 35. I can square this number in my head, and I know that the answer is going to be 1,225. Let's try another one. I can square the number 85 in my head. I know that the answer is going to be 7,225. Would you like to know my secret? Let's take a look at the first two numbers of the problem. The way I got the 12 is by taking the first number and multiplying it by the next integer. So 3 times 4 is 12. Look at the next one. How did I get 72? I started with my 8 and multiplied by the next integer, 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Now the neat trick is that any number that ends in a 5, square it, ends in 25. So the last part is easy. That's the same every time. So let's try another example together. Let's try squaring the number 65. So think about the trick, how we generated the first two digits. I'm going to take 6 and multiply it by the next integer, 7. 6 times 7 is 42. And every time, the last two numbers are 25. So 65 squared is 4,225. Write it on a calculator and see if you're right. But this trick works every time. Some students want to know if they can square larger numbers that end in a 5 with this trick. And the answer is yes. The trick is the same. The last two digits are going to be 25. And the first two are going to be the result when I take 10 and multiply it by the next integer, which is 11. So you have to be able to multiply some numbers in your head to get this far. But 10 times 11 is 110. So my answer is 11,025. Try this trick at your next party.